Hello Fisherman Army, welcome back. Thank you very much because you are here again. If you are new, please don't leave YouTube without subscribing to this channel. Based on channel analytics, only 28.2% of my viewers had subscribed already. Help me to increase these numbers. Let's pass the 40% goal. Thank you in advance, and don't forget to ring that notification bell if you don't want to miss my future videos. Today I'm grinding for a ton of XP on Tunguska River because I want to level up. I'll use trolling method with 3 rows today, and let's hope that I can catch some good big fish and I will level up fast. In today's video I will show you my equipment, my trolling spot, and in the end I will show you what worked better and how much silver I've made. Stay tuned and let's start the XP grinding party. I have only 75.6 thousands of experience to complete this level. I will count XP after each fish that I land just to be more satisfying to watch. Enjoy! Now it's time to show you what worked better in case that you want to try this trolling method on this river. So the most prolific spoon for me was by far Hunter 1002 color. If you want to use spoons here, I think this Black Hunter is the best that you can choose. The best area for trolling was the 11-meter hole. Here I've catched all the big fish, and worth mentioning that I've catched really nice diamonds that will worth a lot of silver. Like this one. Level 33 is completed. Now let's see how much silver I've made and how long it took to complete this challenge, and if this trolling method worth a try. In 1 hour and 18 minutes I've made 372 silver. It's good? I'll let you to decide this. Thank you very much if you are still here. Please don't forget to press that like button for this video if you find it useful or just fun. Goodbye! Auf Wiedersehen! Żegnaj! Au revoir! Zdravo! Do widzenia! Adios! La revedere! Vislat!